Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make eggs with cheese. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 to 3 large eggs, about 1 tablespoon of butter, and 2 tablespoons of your favorite shredded cheese. Don't forget salt and pepper for seasoning. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. This simple dish is perfect for a quick and satisfying meal any time of day. Now, let's prepare the eggs. Crack 2 to 3 eggs into a small bowl. Whisk them well until the yolks and whites are completely combined and slightly frothy. Add a pinch of salt and pepper to the whisked eggs for flavor. Next, place a non-stick pan on your stove over medium-low heat and melt about 1 tablespoon of butter. This ensures your eggs won't stick and will cook evenly. Once your butter is melted and the pan is warm, pour the whisked eggs into the pan. Let them sit undisturbed for about 30 seconds to begin setting. Then, using a spatula, gently push the cooked edges towards the center, allowing the uncooked egg to flow underneath. Continue this process for 1 to 2 minutes until the eggs are mostly set but still look a little moist on top. This technique creates a soft, fluffy texture. For the grand finale, sprinkle 2 tablespoons of your chosen shredded cheese evenly over the eggs during the last 30 seconds of cooking. As the cheese melts, you can either fold the eggs in half for a cheesy omelet or gently scramble them with the melted cheese for a delicious scramble. Slide your perfectly cooked cheesy eggs onto a plate and enjoy immediately. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.